In this short tutorial, you will learn how to edit sent messages on Instagram. Editing a sent message can be helpful if you made a mistake or want to clarify something after sending it. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then go over to the chat section by tapping on this icon at the top right. After that, tap on any conversation. And then long press on the message that you want to edit. And then simply tap on the edit option. Now you have the ability to edit the sent message. So if you don't have this edit option, head over to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and update your Instagram app to the latest version. After updating the app, now when you tap and hold on a sent message in Instagram, you should see the option to edit it. Simply select Edit and make the necessary changes to your message. This feature can save you from awkward typos or mistakes in your messages, so make sure to keep your Instagram app updated to access this useful tool. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.